Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to reset your iPhone 12, iPhone 11, any iPhone pretty much to factory settings. So if you appreciate me making a video like this, make sure you give me a like, spread the love for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do to reset your iPhone is actually go on over to your settings. You probably have it somewhere on your screen. You want to go down and until you find reset. If you can't find it here, it should be in general. You want to go on general and click on reset. You want to click on reset, erase all content settings, click on erase now, then it will ask for your pin and it will erase again settings, then go to general and click on reset. It's as simple as that. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give me a like. This gets me a few more views on each video. So yeah, see you in one of the next videos.